How to make a Discord account on phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how to make a Discord account on phone. To do it, so you want to make sure to open up your respective app store, and then on the search box you want to type in Discord and install it. So when you open up the Discord application, you want to click on install and to wait for that to install it. So now, due to some security concern, the screen will go black, so I am using a web version. So what I'm going to do is type in discord.com on the web version, but then you could use an application. The procedure will remain the same. After which, what next you want to do is come to this first link, that is www.discord.org. It's going to take you to their official page. So here, what next you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and click on a login button. As you do it, so what next you want to do is you want to click on register from here. So now you want to go ahead and enter in the information, that is your email address that you want to register. And you want to type in the display name, or you want to create a display name, and once again give a username or create a username. You could also see the suggestion, you could type in that and create a password. After which you want to type in the date of birth for the confirmation of your age, and then you want to make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on continue. As you do it, so you want to make sure to go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA, or you just have to make sure to solve this puzzle and click on verify. Once you're done, you'll be then taken to the next field where you have to go ahead and read about the following terms and conditions, and if you're sure about it, then you'll have successfully created or Discord account on mobile phone. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.